For more than 1 million children tomorrow, one of the real fears as we head into this evening, the winds. Up to 75 miles an hour and the power now a real concern. Meteorologist Rob Marciano in Boston tonight, where authorities are urging everyone to take these blizzard warnings seriously.
Tonight, blizzard warnings posted from New Jersey to Maine. Most of those governors sending dire warnings.
Extreme snowfall, hurricane-force winds.
It should not be taken lightly.
Travel ban for the entire state.
Please remain home and remain off the roads.
Thousands of state workers told to stay home. Schools canceled.
Still got it again, dog.
Back at it.
You know I'm still a guy.
On God, we out.
Young Juju.
270 trap
Canceled.
270. Let's go. I ate your dad's asshole.
Another snow day, I think I'm about to sleep in. Got a new girl, by me every season. I spit more than a hoe who don't swallow. She sings alto, but now she's screaming soprano. We rollin', we pourin', we smokin', we flowin', we open the windows to cope. When yo go come back, give me my comeback, cause that white shit on the rain snow. Did you get the reference? Did you get the message? Fuck boy, let me teach you a lesson. She was writing something big down by my vast deference. Damn, I'm reckless. Keep it 100 like an Asian student. Math grade, castrate beats when I spit it at a fast rate. Sorry, this isn't me. I probably don't look too decent, but I'd rather be trapped than a hipster. Man, fucking e-cig.
Yeah, I booted, I'm Kevin Gates. Now your bitch wanna sit on my face. Got her addicted to vitamin D. Now she wants more than a little taste. My pockets are filled with vanilla cake. My bong is just packed with that loud. And all the new pictures your girl sent on Snapchat, I backed them all up to the cloud. You know who I am? That young god, that 270 trash squad. My bitch's booty looks like an onion, and your girl's is shaped like a kumquat. But for real, I'm a sad boy, I didn't have a babe the whole winter. And I can't find one around here, so I guess I'll just download Tinder.
Fuck with you, you fuck with me. You fucking with 270. Suck my D, I'm a beast on top of the world. Puff and keep chillin' with the homies, passing J-Aronis. Looking for some fine ass bitches, wanna get to know me. Spending mad stacks, get that lap dance on my cash flow. Got you in a trance, rain it like Steph Curry.
Snow day, bitch, we got a snow day. Turn it up, getting stupid, bitch, we got a snow day. Snow day, bitch, we got a snow day. Turning up, getting stupid, cause we got a snow day. Snow day, bitch, we got a snow day. Turn up, getting stupid, bitch, we got a snow day. Street, snow day, bitch, we got a snow day. Turning up, getting stupid, bitch, got a snow day.
All you rappers need to take a rest. Back Bay dog, not Kane, but Reg. I'm dangerous, so hard to stop cause I'm one move ahead like a game of chess. Number 1 seed in the bracket, killing all beats is a habit. 10 degrees, snow is falling, still no need for a jacket. Cause I'm too wise and my crew live. You the appetizer dog like Shuma. I'm the main course, baby spicy tuna. Way deep in your girl like I'm scuba diving. Rhyming down in the Caribbean islands, jamming on a Lydian high string. Got the whole city straight wildin'.
Alright everybody, now listen here. It's be around the house and I'm pounding beers. Snow day tomorrow, I lead, I don't follow. My bars they ain't hollow, bitch swallow. Skinny dip, then composite. Pass me the bong, I'm finna take a rip. All of the snow you already know. And if we chillin', bet I got that dro. Blizzard squad, we're back again. We mad fucked up and it's got no end. Champagne bottles popping left and right. Guess it's just another snowed up night.
This the last verse, so it might hurt. Like the hard up, put it in the hearse. I'm a dead man with no plans. You throwing hands, I send a lead. Park in the car, and I can't sneak snow up in my nose. Like I just ran through some lines with who knows. Lord knows what the fuck I'm doing. And it's fucking shit, and it's stuck some water, but it's fucking frozen. Like damn.
Snow day, bitch, we got a snow day. Turning up, getting stupid, bitch, we got a snow day. Snow day, bitch, we got a snow day. Turning up, getting stupid, cause we got a snow day. Snow day, bitch, we got a snow day. Turn up, getting stupid, bitch, we got a
really don't understand. These last couple days have been great. I've been transcribing every single Coltrane album and curating my man bun.